In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Confluence space read-only by adjusting permissions. This is perfect when you need to freeze content for a release, an audit, or archival purposes, while still letting everyone view the information they need. First, open Confluence using an account with administrative rights. You'll need to be either a site admin or a space administrator for the specific space you're working on. If you're unsure, check with your Confluence admin team before proceeding so you don't run into permission blocks midway through. Next, head to the admin settings or directly to the space permissions area. In most setups, you can click the settings icon and look for space permissions, or open the space itself and choose space settings, then permissions. The exact labels can vary slightly depending on your version, but you're aiming for the permissions page that controls who can do what inside that space. Now choose the space you want to make read-only. Double check you're in the correct space, especially if you manage multiple workspaces or similar project names. It helps to confirm the space key or homepage so you don't accidentally lock down the wrong area. In the permissions table, remove edit permissions from the users or groups who should no longer be able to change content. This typically includes actions like add, edit, or delete pages and blog posts. Focus on groups first. Removing edit rights at the group level is usually cleaner and reduces the chance of missing an individual account. Keep your own administrative rights intact so you can reverse the change later if needed. Be sure view permissions remain enabled. The goal is that people can still open pages, search, and read content, just without the ability to modify it. If a group or user only had edit permission through a broader role, confirm that they still have explicit view permission after your adjustments. When you're confident with the changes, save them. Look for a Save, Apply, or Update button at the bottom of the permissions page. Saving commits the read-only state across the space. Finally, test with a user account to confirm they can view but not edit. Use a test account or a colleague's non-admin profile, open a page in the affected space, and check that the edit button is hidden or disabled and that create options aren't available. If viewing works and editing is blocked, your read-only configuration is complete.